We can modify compound slabs using edit handles attached to so-called base region. Base region contains the data group data for compound slab assembly. It is a kind of a layer that controls all other layers of the compound slab. We can select the compound slab base region and drag its handles to modify the geometry of the slab. With a right-click on the slab, we can select Insert Slab Vertex command from a menu and start adding more vertices to modify the shape of the object. There is also Delete Vertex option. When you select any compound slab leaf, the Select Base Region option appears in the Modification tab on the ribbon. If you click it, the base region of the slab will get highlighted in the model.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.